Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you hidden items on Dress to Impress latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The first item I'm going to show you is the cupcake. You can find the cupcake here on the floor nearby this poster. This is the cupcake and I'm just going to put it on my model. Okay, and the second one is hot dog. You'll be able to find it on the floor as well, but you need to go to this section nearby the shell section here. Okay, this is the hot dog, and you can put it on your avatar or your model. Basically, you can find the cupcake and the hot dog on the floor, so you can search it by yourself. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you the Lana dress. I'm gonna go to the Lana salon, and the Lana dress is here, and you can put it on your avatar. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to show you the Easter dress. Wait, I'm going to show you the location. It's on the table as well, guys. I'm gonna go to this table nearby the dressing room. Okay, and this is the Easter dress, but you can put on this dress only if you have completed the Dress to Impress class for the Hunt First edition. Okay guys, and those all of the hidden items on Dress to Impress you might miss. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.